received some breaking news that Tollywood choreographer Johnny Master has been accused of rape. In fact, he's been arrested by the Cyberabad police from Goa. This is big news coming in. How the choreographer, he's a known Telugu choreographer and he has now been booked under the POXCO Act. He's being brought back to Hyderabad and he's going to be produced before the court. So that's the big news coming in, that the Telugu choreographer Johnny Master has been accused of sexual assault. He's been booked under POXCO Act and now he's being brought back to Hyderabad, where he's going to be produced before the court. That's the latest bit of news coming in right now. Just breaking at the moment as I speak about this choreographer, Johnny Master, who's been accused of sexual assault. Swastika joins us now for more on this. Swastika, over to you. Fill us in with all the details. What exactly is this case all about?
Well, it's been nearly a week, in fact, since the choreographer who is supposed to have high influence, in fact, was evading arrest. In fact, the police was also struggling to find him. Finally, he has been arrested by the Cyberabad police. He is being brought back to Hyderabad as we speak and then subsequently taken to the court. Why he's been arrested? Because Johnny Master has been accused of rape. The complainant is a 21-year-old junior choreographer who worked with him, and she says that 5 years ago when she joined Johnny Master and his team, he allegedly raped her multiple times during multiple shoots and in fact threatened her. The victim took 5 years to come forward and take the complaint because Johnny Masters himself, his family, in fact those associated with him, were constantly threatening her of pushing her out of work because the victim here was from another city. She had come here after a lot of struggle and was trying to craft a niche out of her own. The victim was in fact doing very well. She had choreographed multiple actors and the songs, but because of the fear, and this is a deep-rooted problem in industries like Tollywood, you just had the Hema Committee report come out and expose the rot between, or rather within the Malayalam film industry, and something similar is also happening, but definitely a big positive step in that sense because
Yes.
Johnny Master, in fact, he's a national award winning choreographer. The police finally being able to arrest him will definitely shake the conscience of the industry and will also put a lot of onus and rather be a precedent to those who, within the industry who may have been involved in such things. Yes.
This is a big shocker, and clearly, the ripples of the Justice Hema Committee report that rocked Mollywood, that rocked the Malayalam film industry, now being felt in other states as well.